Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So yesterday itself I told you, don't jump into conclusions. Market may not go on the higher side. Things are not positive. There are negative cues, and this is just a technical bounce. These are all the exact word I told yesterday. We'll look into what is happening now and what could happen now in future. But before that, I would like to say that we have a very vibrant and energetic Telegram group. We discuss many things regarding option selling strategies and much about stock market, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, right? So if you see the markets today, markets were super volatile, right? I don't have to say much about the market, but we will talk about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you see here, Bank Nifty was super volatile. High was around 40,600, low was around 40,100, then it went back to 40,500, then came back to 40,200. So around 800 to 1,000 points swing in Bank Nifty. Anyway, somehow we managed the trade. Even today our trades are not in negative or not in positive also. It is cost to cost, okay? That's not an issue. So tomorrow we will have to wait and see what happens tomorrow's expiry. So if the market is not gapping up much or not gapping down much, we might make a decent profit. And Bank Nifty was also kind of very volatile. So all day long it was, bears were trying to close Nifty below 17,500 and bulls were was trying to close Nifty above 17,500. So 17,500 seems to be a very strong support, and 40,250 level seems to be a very strong support for Bank Nifty. In case markets gap down for one or other reason tomorrow, we might see Bank Nifty 40,500 acting as a resistance, and we don't know what is the downside. Maybe 40,000 or below 40,000, and Nifty 17,500 to 17,000, right? The main reason was, you may know that people talk about many things. Today UK inflation data came at a lifetime high, which is around 10.1%, 10.1. And this number was seen last in 1991, after which we are seeing it now. 10.1 is a very high inflation. And if you see Eurozone also, that is around 9.9. Last time it was 9.1%, and this time it is 9.9, which is also very old, like it's the highest in lifetime. Last time we saw this 9.9% inflation was around 1994, and we are seeing it now. So this was very bad news. In spite of US futures and other markets showing green, once this data, I think first data was UK data was out by 11:30, and Europe data was out by 2:30. We saw what happened. Markets started falling. Even as I talk to you, US markets are all in the red. And if you see here, yeah, US markets are all in the red. US future is all in the red. Not only US future, even Europe is all in the red. So there is a possibility. In fact, Europe is not in the red. It is flat, almost flat. FTSE is down by 21 points. France is just flat, and DAX is around 550, down by 54 points. And you know what is happening in Europe? I don't have to tell you. Europe, there is an energy crisis, from fuel prices to gas prices. Gasoline prices are skyrocketing, and this is a very big issue in Europe, which is happening in Europe, plus UK bond issue. So lots of things are happening in the Europe. And I told you, this is a technical bounce only. You know what happens when you hit the support, there might be a dead cat bounce from you. If you see Dow Jones, from around maybe 40,000 levels, it has come and hit 28,500 levels, right? So of course there will be a bounce, but for this bounce to go forward, or for this bounce to sustain, you need really positive news. Where is the positive news? That's what I was saying yesterday. and people will always come and tell something or other, no, right? They tell so many things, they try to abuse me. Who is ready to listen? Everyone wants a holy grail strategy. No one wants to be patient. Everyone wants immediate money, and I'm sure around 90% of the people who watch this video or watch this channel or watch any YouTube channel regarding option selling or option buying will lose money, because it is not about strategy, it is not about money. It is about mindset. It is about emotions, how you control your emotion, what is your mindset, how much caliber you have. This chemistry has to work out. Because you know some strategies, because you know you have lot of money, doesn't mean you will make money, right? There are people who have crores and crores of rupees and still they are not able to make money. They are in a drawdown. And there are people sitting with 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, they are making excellent profit. You know that? You go and check social media, right? So this is how things work. So you have to be patient, you have to keep on fighting, you have to work on new ways or escalate things. You have to be proactive, and so you shouldn't be you should be a pro, right? This is how things work here. That's what, nobody is ready to be patient here. They don't understand how things work out in stock market. Anyway, that is a different story. We'll talk about that in a later video, or we'll talk about that in brief in another video. And looking at other things, open interest also, today morning, I saw around 40,500 calls being written in Bank Nifty from 40,000 levels to 41,500 levels. And on the downside, put side, if you see, the next highest open interest is around 39,000 and 39,500. 40,000 is, I think 40,500 is having the highest call rating in Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty, 17,500 people are writing short straddle. So 17,600 is having the highest open interest among call options. And 17,000, as I told you, 17,500 short straddle is being written. Whether this short straddle will sustain or not, we really don't know. We'll have to work on that, right? And there is a new feature in this Sensible, which they called me today and told to brief to our brief to our subscribers or whatsoever. So this is the new feature where they are having a open interest in the payoff chart itself. So it's a very useful feature if you want. So this is a very useful feature. If you want, you can if you want, you can make use of this feature. In fact, this is the trade which we have taken for we have given to our subscribers for our premium plan mentees who follow us on mentorship program. Till now it has given a 4.3% profit, right? Not 4.3%, I'm sorry, around 1.1% profit. So in case the market opens tomorrow between 39,700 to 40,700, we will make good profit in this trade. So this is the trade which we have recommended. So total capital is around 4.32%, and hopefully if market opens flat tomorrow, all the people will make excellent money, maybe around 15 to 20k profit they will make. So let's see how things pan out. And apart from that, open interest also I have told, this is the open interest 17,500. I'm just saying it again because last time I told I didn't change the screen, so I have changed the screen now. So 17,600 is having the highest open interest, and 17,500 short straddle is being written. 17,600 call is having the highest open interest. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, I think 40,600 is having the highest call option, and 40,500 short straddle is being written. 39,500 is having high put option, and 40,500, 41,000 and 41,500 is having highest call options in Bank Nifty. So this is how the market look like. Maybe Bank Nifty might expire between 40,000 to 40,500 tomorrow, and Nifty, when it comes to Nifty, if it sustains 17,500, which I don't think is going to happen, looking at the US futures, I think, as I talked to you, US future, S&P, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is down by 0.5%, and even Europe is down. So probably we might see a slight gap down, and this is the right time to short the market. Let us see how things pan out, right? So you don't mistake me. See, whatever we are doing or whatever we are saying is for good of our subscribers only, right? So most of the time I've made sure I am right? So that is how things work. So let's see if NSE FIA data has come. I'm sure FIAs would have sold. Looking at the open interest in Nifty and price action in Nifty and Bank Nifty, FIAs have sold for around 453 crores and DIAs have bought for around 908 crores. Right? So this is how the markets are looking like. Let us see how things pan out tomorrow. I hope I have summarized everything. See you in another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.